Hi there, I'm going to show you how to solve this star puzzle. Taking it apart is pretty simple. You just want to find the piece that falls apart easy, it crumbles. And to solve this, you're going to want to use you're making two different mirrored images. So the first one, take this piece, make it look like a crown, put your second piece behind it like that, and then this goes in here. So you want to form something that looks like that. And I'm actually going to use a towel just to hold that while I form the other one. So same deal on this side. Take your crown, put this piece behind it. But on the last one I put it on this side. This one you want to put on this side. It's a mirrored image. Okay, so there's that. Form that and form this. And these will slide together very easily once you figure out the right orientation. There you go. That's all you got to do. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.